everyone, welcome to week 7 discussion, Sacred Pathways. After taking the Spiritual Pathways inventory, my results are pretty interesting. My highest connecting points or passionate points were naturalist, enthusiast, and contemplative. I felt that enthusiast and contemplative sort of contradicted each other, so that was interesting to me. And I also realized that I have a lot of moderate connecting points or pleasurable connecting points, a lot more so than any other of the possible connecting points. And then I just had one low or potential connecting point. And that connecting point happened to be a caregiver, which I found pretty interesting that it was a low connecting point for me, because I feel like that's a word that I would for the most part use to describe me. So those results were pretty interesting. How I implement what I learned to enhance my EQ, spiritual development, and my leadership. Knowing what I know now, I think it gives me a kind of a template to work with. It's helped me map out my weaker and my stronger connecting points that could definitely benefit my leadership skills, knowing what I know now about my enthusiasm and contemplativeness when it comes to these sacred pathways and the connecting points that I have. And same goes for spiritual development. I feel that just knowing what I know now after taking the inventory, all I can do is better myself and work harder in areas that are lower connecting points for me, and especially in all those areas that are moderate connecting points. And I'm not sure if those will change or if they will remain the same. I think it'd be interesting to take this inventory again a year down the road or 2 years down the road, 6 months down the road, what have you, because I definitely feel like it will change just depending on certain experiences that we go through. So yeah, that's my discussion for the week 7 Sacred Pathways.